Hey everyone, this is Manik from Northland Nissan in Prince George, and today I'm going to do a quick walk around video on this 2018 Nissan Titan XD. And this one over here is an SV edition with keyless entry. You got the automatic seats with the power lumbar support as well. Blind spot sensors, and you also have the Bluetooth too. You have your voice recognition over here too, with inbuilt navigation system with the backup camera, and you also have the blind spot sensors over here with the rear parking sensors, heated seats, and that's keyless entry with push button start. And you also have the tow mode too, and you can also set the gain from here too. That's where your trailer brake controls. Let's go at the back seat. So this one over here is a crew cab edition. So you have the full size at the back. A lot of space at the back seat. And these seats are 60-40 split seats. So you can push them up like that and have extra storage space down here. And you can fold these things for your extra cargo space. And same function is available on the other side for the 60-40 split seats. Let's go at the back, show you the trunk. And these are the Toyo tires with the very nice aluminum wheels package with the color matching fender flares. And these are your rear parking sensors with the tow hitch receiver and your 4-pin harness and your 7-pin harness over here. So this one also has the assist, so it does not let it fall. And that's a full sprayed liner too, with the strap lines on the side and on the bed floor too. This truck has all the lift kit accessories that you need. Full suspension system, so you have the factory block heater, front and rear parking sensors, a big lift kit suspension system in this one, and this one is an SV Premium Edition. So if you want to take it for a test drive, give me a call at 778-890-5544. This was Manik from Northland Nissan, and thank you for watching this video. If you need more information, just click the description below.